Ever had your insert statement crash because the record already exists? That's exactly what UPSERT solves. A standard insert adds a brand new row to your table. If a duplicate key conflict occurs, like trying to insert a record with an existing primary key or unique constraint value, the operation fails and throws an error. Your application has to catch that error and decide what to do next. UPSERT is a combination of insert and update. It attempts to insert a new row first. If a conflict is detected on a unique constraint or primary key, instead of failing, it automatically updates the existing row with your new values. This happens atomically in a single statement, no error handling required. The conflict resolution relies on a unique constraint or primary key. The database checks if the incoming data violates one of these constraints. If it does, the update logic kicks in. Without a unique constraint, there's nothing to detect a conflict against. The syntax varies by database. In Postgres, you use insert followed by on conflict duo update. MySQL uses insert followed by on duplicate key y update. SQL Server uses the merge statement. All three accomplish the same goal, insert or update depending on whether a conflict exists. UPSERT shines in idempotent data loading, like syncing external APIs where you might receive the same record twice, or batch imports where you want to update existing records without manual checks. It avoids race conditions between checking if a record exists and then inserting it. Bottom line, UPSERT lets you insert or update in one atomic operation, preventing duplicate key errors and simplifying your code. Practice this pattern and you'll ace this question. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.